Let us review this stock. This is my 67th trade. This is the place where I entered, and this is the place where I exit. Let us see the reason behind it. Let us go to the monthly time frame. If you see the monthly time frame, after the breaking of all-time high, it is consolidating. This is the place where I took the trade. And let us go to the weekly time frame. After the all-time high is broken, at the time I draw the trend line like this. What did I thought is the breakout is happened, the three touch points, the breakout is happened, but I didn't enter it here because of the huge stop loss, right? See, so that's why I waited for the retest. The retest is happened. This is the place where I entered because I thought this candle retested, but no. The reason being is it has to retest and form the candle like this. Another candle must be formed after the retest. That is the place where we enter because it confirms that the retest is happened. It will go up, and I put a small stop loss after the breakdown of this trend line, and I exit because I think it will test here. But did you see what happened after my exit? It had gone up. See how much it gone up. My analysis is good, but see how much it gone up. But the way I traded is wrong, right? I didn't put the good stop loss. The good stop loss must be below this in weekly time frame, below this weekly cross candle. I put a very small stop loss. That is the reason. If I put the stop loss below here, then I would be in the profit in this stock, right? Analysis is good, but the way of execution is very bad. And let us see the reason behind it. And fail to draw the trend line at weekly time frame. You must draw the trend line in weekly time frame also. In weekly time frame trend line and the daily time frame trend line, so that we will get the clarity where the weekly closes are happen. And there is no three strong reversals, right? One, this is considered as a one, two, right? Although we can take it as a third because if we consider this as the upward, the reversal is 30% of the upward, so we can consider it. So it is the three rejections, and the way analysis is good, but the stop loss is bad. And also we must consider the weekly close. Did you see this is a bad weekly close? If the pattern is very huge, must consider the weekly close. Wait until the weekly candle closes and then take an entry. Sometimes it will fake out, right? And what we learn is the retest of the trend line is also very bad. Did you see this strong candle? The retest candles must be this small, so that it will work. If the candles are like this, then it won't work, right? And the retest is also not in take place, right? It had broken down. The retest is takes place at here, but the retest must be takes place at here, right? That didn't happen. And also I missed to draw the trend line in weekly time frame. Sometimes trend line works, right? Sometimes trend line will work. But I didn't draw this. Did you see how the trend line is worked, right? And what we learn is the stock is weekly time frame. This is the trend line. Sometimes trend lines will work. Don't neglect the trend lines. The cut stop loss is this, right? I entered here and I exited here. The correct stop loss is this trend line. After I had exit, it has gone up, and again it came back, and again it take a reversal at the weekly trend line. Is there any chance now for us to re-enter? I don't think so. One, two, three. It is already at the top. There is no chance for us to reconsider. So this is it.